Hey everyone, it's Crypto Profit back with another video, and today we're going to be jumping into Cosmos Atom. We've talked about this in a previous top 5, as well as its own individual videos in the past couple of weeks and months, and we're finally seeing it continue to take off with this most recent price excursion. We actually see it going above $40 and making its way to $41 basically here at $40.87 with a 6.5% increase in the last 24 hours. While the entire market is down, Cosmos is doing its own thing, and that's exactly what we would like to see. I think Cosmos is going to continue to do its own thing in 2022, and I'm going to give you guys a Solana-like push result. I'm going to talk a little bit about the price prediction at the end of the video today, so if you guys have not already, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn notifications on. You can see right now the market cap at $9.2 billion, an all-time high around $44.70. There's a lot of people expecting Cosmos to continue on this push up, and I am, like I said, one of them. I want to jump into the reasons as to why. So if we take a look at the last week, about a 48 or really 46% increase, the last month being about a 65 to 66% increase, and we talked about it around this $30 mark or $23 mark where Cosmos was kind of settling, and that we knew that there was going to be a big increase due to a couple of different things. The first is going to be the estimated yearly consumption of Cosmos-based blockchain is less than the energy consumed by Bitcoin in a single day. That's just one of the Cosmos facts that is continuing to keep people very, very bullish. There's many, many more. The next one is the Cosmos Theta upgrade, scheduled for March 31st, 2022. It's going to be absolute fire, and that's exactly what a lot of people are excited about. People are going to continue to buy the hype and probably sell the news or sell it when it does come, and so do expect a little bit of a drop, probably closer to that March 31st date. I do think as of now, people are buying up right now to try to make some quick money by that March probably 15th or March 25th date before they sell. So keep that in mind. We also have the Cosmos Theta upgrade will potentially enable meta transactions, NFT modules, interchain accounts, liquid staking, WASM instance on the hub, also upgrades to the Gravity Bridge. And the more info on the Cosmos Theta upgrade is definitely available out there, so definitely take a look yourself. As remember, guys, I'm not a financial advisor, so always do your own research. Another big deal in the Cosmos really ecosystem is IBC is the only live interoperability standard to connect blockchains together, supporting a shared economy of 75 billion USD. It's absolutely crazy to see some of these facts from Cosmos, and it's great to understand that Cosmos is one of the biggest ecosystems out there as it continues to grow. We have 262 Cosmos apps versus Cardano's 62. So I'm one of those guys that likes Cardano, and I like Cosmos as well, but I do think Cosmos is showing a very solid strength here. It's 262 Cosmos apps, definitely one of the biggest out there. The value of the network lies in the number of its dApps. Another fact from Cosmos. I want to jump into a couple more things, but before we do that, guys, before we talk about why and where it's going to be going to because of its new all-time high pushes, I want to talk a little bit about BlockFi, because crypto is all about earning passive income. It's all about earning the most you possibly can through decentralization and utility, and that's exactly what we're getting here with BlockFi. So if we jump down a little bit, you can earn more from your crypto. You can earn actually up to 9.5% APY with a BlockFi interest account or a BIA account. Interest occurs daily and is paid monthly. There are no hidden fees, no minimum balances, and no reasons to wait. So if you guys want to take a look, you can actually see how much you can earn. So you can actually go through here. Let's say we have Uniswap. We can actually put the amount we have and the amount of years as well. So it's a very cool concept, as you can continue to see how much you'll earn over 10 years, the total earnings in crypto, etc. So you can check this out for yourself. Like I said, a BlockFi link down in the description below. The coolest thing about it, when you sign up using my link, you'll get up to $250 worth of Bitcoin for free. And what better time to do it than when Bitcoin is at a very low $43,000 mark? So let's jump back over to Cosmos. Cosmos is almost nearing its all-time high. This is one of the many articles talking about Cosmos in the last couple of days. So Cosmos moving towards an inevitable high. According to data received from TradingView and Cointelegraph Markets Pro, it has been highlighted that ever since touching a bottom of $25.06 on the 30th of December, the price of Cosmos went up by 75% to touch a daily high of around $43.98. So people are continuing to talk about it. This article doesn't give us much information, though. So let's jump over to Cointelegraph. It talks about the 3 reasons why Cosmos Atom price is near a new all-time high. So the newly launched cross-chain bridges to Ethereum and the upcoming Theta upgrade are expanding the Cosmos ecosystem, a potential catalyst of Atom's recent 75% gain. So if we actually take a look down here, it talks more about the blockchain network interoperability is shaping up to be one of the main themes for the cryptocurrency ecosystem in 2022. New users are continuing to onboard into the growing world of crypto, while both new and established projects search for the chain that will best serve the needs of their protocol and community. So one project that has a 2022 off to a bullish start, obviously facilitating communication between separate networks, is Cosmos Atom. This project bills itself as the Internet of Blockchains and seeks to facilitate the development of an interconnected decentralized economy. So let's get into the three reasons. That's what we're here for. The first one is going to be the Cosmos nears EVM compatibility. So like I said, there's going to be three reasons as to why, according to Cointelegraph, that Cosmos is near that all-time high. Cosmos nearing that EVM compatibility is definitely a significant development, and it provides a boost to Atom as its rollout of EVMOS. So an EVM-compatible protocol will allow assets and projects that really operate on the Ethereum network to migrate over to the Cosmos ecosystem. So accessibility is going to be a big thing there, continuing to build utility on the Cosmos chain, as we also see preparing for the Theta upgrade. We talked about the Theta upgrade. We won't go too much more into detail on that because, like I said, there's a great reason as to why we are seeing more and more people dumping into Cosmos. We also see expanding ecosystems are typically bullish. So a third reason for the bullish momentum of Atom is the ecosystem's expansion to 28 live interconnected chains that total more than $68 billion in total value. So Cosmos is the only cross-chain ecosystem in the world that uses an interoperability standard. $68 billion in digital assets across, and live-enabled IBC Cosmos chains up to now 28. And this is, like I said, just another fact from Cosmos that is continuing to keep people very, very bullish on this coin. If we jump back over to Cosmos, like I said, we are seeing pretty much bearish prices across the board when it comes to coins like Cosmos, Near Protocol, and Chainlink. They're all doing very, very well. And that's why I've mentioned these three coins specifically in my top 5. So if you guys haven't seen some of my top 5 videos and stayed up to date with a lot of these coins, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn notifications on so you can do so very easily. Now I want to jump into the price predictions and talk about where we could see Cosmos by the end of this month, and then also by the end of the year, end of the bull market. So before we do that, guys, I do want to jump over to Crypto Profit YT on Twitter. If you guys aren't following me there, follow me on Crypto Profit YT because we are actually giving away a lot of Chainlink, 100 Chainlink to be exact. If we hit $40 link by the end of January, which is actually possible with Chainlink at $25 right now, there's definitely a possibility, and we'll continue to give this 100 Chainlink away until it is actually all out. So make sure to retweet this specific tweet and follow me on Twitter to be entered. I want to jump, though, back on over and talk about the, like I said, end of the bull market price prediction. So when we talk about the end of January, a lot of people are suggesting Cosmos could continue, like I said, on a Solana type of push. I'm thinking anywhere between $60 to $80 potentially by the end of January specifically, depending on the rest of the market. If the market continues to crash, people are going to be a little bit more nervous about pumping and continuing to pump Cosmos. So there's going to be a little bit of a push on the rest of the market. And so by the end of this January month itself, I think about $50 to $60 is going to be possibly the max. By the end of the 2022 year and the end of the bull market, whatever comes first, I think realistically we're going to see Cosmos easily making its way to $120 to $160, depending on really, like I said, how long that bull market does last, the utility that continues to build. Some of the DApps that they're building are just fantastic. And I think that's going to get really as to one of the main reasons we see utility, really meaning price increase in this case. So if you guys enjoyed today's video, if you guys understood, kind of where I'm coming from, if it makes sense to you, this is going to be the best way to stay up to date with crypto. I'm going to talk about some of the best coins really performing in the space, and then also the coins that I think are going to be great discounted prices, or new coins coming to the space that I think are going to do well. It's all going to be available to you here on the channel. If you guys want to stay up to date with crypto as well, you can also support me on my Patreon down in the description below. I'll see you guys all in the next one. Thanks.